Going to discuss about GlideRecord. Today also we are going to discuss about GlideRecord. GlideRecord Secure. So using GlideRecord and GlideRecord Secure, we can do the CRUD operations. GlideRecord by default will not check the permissions. GlideRecord Secure by default check the permissions. Okay. So in this case, GlideRecord, they both are used for CRUD operations, right? So we have discussed about create operation. We have discussed about read operation. Now we will discuss about update operation and delete operation. So create part is done. Read part is done. Update part is yet to discuss. First of all, guys, when you have to update the record, first you have to query. When you have to read the records, first you have to query. When you have to delete the records, you have to query first. Query is must for read, update, delete. Query is must for read, update, delete. Okay. For yesterday, for reading also we queried. For today, for update also we'll have to query first. Let me just go to the shipping case records. Okay. I want to assign all the shipping case records to. So I want to first query the shipping case records which are empty. How many shipping case records which are empty here? 44 records. I want to assign all of them to. Abraham Lincoln or able tutor, some person name. So here I am updating assign to person as able tutor. Okay. I am going to use background script first. First of all, I have to query u underscore shipping underscore case. This is the table name. Here u underscore assigned underscore to comma empty. Okay. So you are querying using this condition. This is add query is condition. Likewise, you can use multiple add queries. If you use multiple add queries, it will act like end condition. Instead of using multiple add queries, you can use one encoded query also. You can use add active query, add inactive query, add null query, add not null query also you can use. Those are actually conditions. Then if there are more than one record, then you have to use while loop here. If there is only one record, you can use if condition. Okay. So in the while loop, it will iterate each shipping case record where assigned to is empty. It will iterate each shipping case record where assigned to is empty. Okay. So then what I have to do, gr dot set value set value or set display value. You can use any of them. U underscore assign to comma able tutor system ID. Go to the users. Okay. So now here what you have to do is you have to use gr dot update. Gr dot update. So very first thing that you have to remember is for insert you have to use for create you have to use insert method. For reading and all you don't need to use any method. You have to query it. That's it. For reading and all you don't need to use any method. You have to query the data. You must know how to query the data. For update and all you have to use update method. So likewise, if you want to update multiple fields, you can use gr.setValue, the field name comma value. Okay. So let me update the short description as well. Gr dot okay. Just run the script. Total 42, one data policy exception. One data policy exception, total 43 records are updated. So this one is aborted using data policy. Okay. Data policies will work from all the sources is what we discussed, right? Data policies will also work when we run the script also. So what is it telling? Which field is mandatory? Resolution code and notes are mandatory. Okay. If you enter resolution code and notes, it will allow you to resolve. Okay. So this update method is must, guys. Okay. Then when you are updating, you have to follow some best practices. Before updating, if you want to make sure because of this script, the other script should not run. Once you change the short description, you might have written a business rule saying like, once the short description changes, the other script should run. When you run the script, because of this script, the other scripts will be executed. To stop other scripts running, you have to use a line called gr dot set workflow false. This is very, very, very important one, guys. When you are writing the script, if you want to stop the other scripts running, okay, when you are running the script, if you want to stop the other scripts running, you will use gr dot set workflow false. Set workflow false. These questions will be asked in the interview. When you are updating the record, the system fields such as created by, updated by, these fields will be updated. Whenever you are updating, the updated by, So updated by will be updated now. When I am updating the records, updated by system fields will be updated using script also. When you are updating the records using script, if you want to stop the system fields to be updated, so that means the system fields should not be updated. Created by updated by updates field, those fields should not be updated. Then we have to use a line called gr dot auto fields false. Auto fields false. Okay. If you understand closely, created time will be populated by system, or do we enter the created time? Do we enter the created time or system will automatically take? Updated time, do we enter or system will automatically take? System will automatically take the created time. System will automatically take the updated time. System will automatically take the created by person and updated by person. Okay. Suppose I have to change the updated time manually. Suppose I have to change the updated by person manually. I have to change the updated by person manually, updated by time manually. So these all are taken by system. Updated time, updated person will be taken by system, but we have to update them manually. To update the system fields, you have to use, let us say you want to change the updated time. Updated field name is sys underscore updated underscore on the date 2024 colon 05 colon 06 000000. So you are trying to update the system field. Gr dot set force date true. So now you are forcibly updating the system field. Okay. You are forcibly updating the system field. Time did not change. Updated time. Now the updated time is updated here. Did you see here? 2024 fifth month, sixth date, 0000 I kept here. It is taking as per the time zone, it is showing as 1. Now I updated the updated time forcibly or not. Normally updated time will be taken by the system, but if you want to manually update it, if you want to manually update the updated time, you have to use set workflow false, auto sys fields false, set force update as true. So that you can update the updated time. So this is used to stop the other scripts running. That is one thing. This is used to stop the system fields to be updated. This is used to update the system fields forcibly. That is why it is named as set force update. If you want to update system fields forcibly, you have to use gr.set force update as true. These questions will be asked. So how do you stop the other scripts running when you are executing a script? Then you have to use set workflow false. And how do you stop the system fields to be updated? Then you have to use auto sys fields false. How do you forcibly update the system fields? Then you will use set force update. Okay. Okay. When you are updating the record, we should be very careful. The condition part, we have to be very careful. When you are keeping the condition, we must be cautious. So now I am actually querying all the assignment group empty record. All the assignment group empty in the shipping case table, all the assignment group empty records I am querying. I am updating all of the system. I am updating the updated time to this particular one. Well, here the point is before you are executing this one, you go to the shipping cases and apply the condition here. Assigned to assignment group is empty. So how many records are there? 30 records are there. So you have kept the condition properly, right? Then you have to mention the limit here. Gr dot set limit 30. So that it will update only 30 records. You are getting my point. So you are applying the condition. When you are applying the condition, you are able to see how many records are there with the assignment group empty. So that count, that limit you are keeping here, so that it will update only 30 records. Let us say here in this shipping case table, there are 1000 records, but it will update only 30 records. This is the best practice. So which 30 records? The assignment group empty, there are 30 records, right? Those 30 records it will update. Okay. One is aborting using data policy. 29 are updated. Okay. So this set limit will limit how many records you should query. Okay. I want to change the created time to current time. I want to change the not to change the created time. I want to identify the latest created 5 records. Latest created 5 records. When it comes to the 5 records means you have to keep set limit as 5. Okay. So latest created 5 records, right? For that you have to use gr dot order by. Order by will give you the oldest created record. Order by descending order created, right? We have to take the created field name 6 underscore created on. So it will take you the display value u underscore assign to No need to write these things. Okay. So I am identifying the latest created 5 records. Order by descending order will get you the latest created records. Only 5 records. Those 5 records will be assigned to Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. Go here. So these are the 5 latest created records. These 5 are assigned to Uday Gadiparthi. You can see here. I want to identify the oldest created records. Then you have to use order by. Order by will get you oldest created records. Order by descending order will get you latest created records. So now just you go here and pull this one. So oldest 5 created records are assigned to Uday Gadiparthi, Uday Gadiparthi. I want to query last 8th created record. Last 8th created record. That means from the last 8th one I want. From the last 8th created record. Getting my point? Then you have to use order by only. Then you have to use gr dot choose window. Choose window. You have to use 8 comma 9 here. 8 comma 9. What is this? Is already assigned to Uday Gadiparthi or what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Seven comma 9. Go to the shipping case. Refresh this one. These two are assigned to Uday Gadiparthi, right? If you keep 8 comma 9, let us say I'm keeping 10 comma 11 here. So that means 10th record will be updated. I'm just executing this one. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is updated. I think this is 10th record or 11th record. Then we have to adjust it here. We have to adjust the number here. Okay. So likewise, likewise, you will have to query the data from table. After querying, you have to update the record using update method. Okay. So for creation, you have to use insert method. For read, you have to query and you don't need to use any method. You have to query it for reading also. For updating also you have to query. After query you have to use update method. For deleting you have to use delete record method. I want to delete oldest created 5 records. Okay. So in that case, it's a single line gr dot delete record method. It will delete the oldest created 5 records. Okay, it has deleted the shipping case records which are actually created the oldest. Okay. Getting my point. See, these are associated tables. These are associated tables. To this particular table, there are associated tables. This particular table related all records will be deleted. Before deleting it, if you use gr.setWorkflow false, okay, now I deleted the oldest created records. Again, now you will be finding 5 oldest created records, right? When I am running this script, so here gr.setWorkflow false. The other scripts should not run. So this is audit related, right? These are running. Okay. So whenever you delete the record, there will be audit records. Those audit records are getting created, insert operation on this particular table. We'll go to this particular table and check what is happening here. Audit relationship change. Document key sys_user. So these records are created now. 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. Whenever record is deleted, right? These records are deleted. These related to these records, some records are created in this particular table. That is actually system has designed that. So in this table also some records are created. Let me just tell you. You can see in the audit table, these records are created. Okay. So suppose you deleted the records, right? You want to recover it back. Then you have to go to rollback recovery. Go to the script execution history. Whenever you execute the script in the background script, that will be stored here. This is the script that we executed, right? So there is a line called rollback execution here. You say yes here. So deleted records will be recovered back again. Deleted records will be recovered back again. You go to the shipping cases. So how many are there now? 44 are there. 49 are there. So likewise, you can recover the deleted records back. You can revert the script that is executed to back. Okay. So what we have done, first we have queried the data, we have read the data, then we have queried the data, then we have updated the data, then we have queried the data, and we have deleted the data. So for reading, updating, and deleting, querying is must. How to query the data? So how to query the number of records? That means you can use set limit, order by descending order, add active query, add inactive query, add null query, add not null query, add encoded query. So you can use by default add query. Okay. So suppose if you are querying only one record, guys. Suppose if you are querying only one record, then that is where you have to use get method. Okay. So gr.get. In this get method, you can directly use system ID. If record exists, gs.print gr dot get value. If it is one record, you can use get method. Assigned updated using script. So if you have to normally write it, what you will do is both are same. This one and this one both are same. Instead of using add query, as it is one record, I am using get method here. Both are printing the same output. Okay. So if it is one record query and all, you have to use get method. Okay. So similarly, guys, if you want to delete all the records, if you want to update multiple records at a time, okay. Let us say if you want to, I am updating all the, I want to update all the short description of the shipping cases. Gr.set value. You can use gr.update multiple. It will update the You are not using while loop to each record. It is actually mass update. Okay, you are updating all the record short description at a time using update multiple. If you want to delete all the records, you can also keep the condition. So you can do mass update here. You can also do mass delete as well using delete multiple. Okay. So no need to use while loop. After query, you can directly use gr.delete multiple. So you can do the same thing using GlideRecord Secure also. Only difference for GlideRecord and GlideRecord Secure is GlideRecord Secure by default checks the permission. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, we'll be discussing about a glide aggregate, guys. So these CRUD operations, you should be very clear. You can explore a lot more blogs, lot more vlogs. Okay, you should go through the blogs and vlogs both. There are a lot of vlogs in the YouTube. There are a lot of blogs. Just explore about GlideRecord and GlideRecord Secure. If you are pretty much clear with the GlideRecord Secure, 99% problems are solved here. To become a ServiceNow developer, maximum issues are solved if you learn GlideRecord and GlideRecord Secure properly. Okay. So we'll see you there in tomorrow session, guys. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.